In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog in Squarespace. Whether you're launching your first blog or adding a blog section to your existing website, Squarespace makes it incredibly easy to get set up and started. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be ready to share your stories, thoughts, or professional insights in just a few minutes. First, let's start by logging into your Squarespace account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Squarespace website. Once you're there, you'll see the login option. Click on login to proceed. If you have your login credentials handy, go ahead and enter them. However, if you want to take advantage of a smoother and quicker login process, click on continue with Google. This option allows you to log into Squarespace using your Google account. You might need to authorize something on the first attempt, but it usually smooths out subsequent logins. After logging in, you will land on your Squarespace dashboard. From here, click on your website. This step ensures you're making changes to the right site, so take a moment to verify before proceeding. Next up, we need to add a new blog page, so let's dive into the main navigation. On the left panel of your dashboard, find and click on Pages. This section allows you to manage all the pages of your site. You'll be able to see existing pages and have the option to add new ones. Once you are in the Pages section, locate and click on the Blog option. If you don't see blog listed, you might need to create one by selecting the plus icon and choosing blog from the available templates. After clicking, you will enter the blog management area of Squarespace, which should look something like a list of all your potential blog posts. Now let's add content to your blog. Within the blog section, click on blog content. Here is where you can click the plus icon to start a new post. This is the same area where you'll manage all your drafted, scheduled and published blog posts. After you've initiated a new post, it's time to get creative. Add your blog elements and edit your content. This can include writing your post, inserting images, adding links, and utilizing headings to organize your content better. Squarespace offers a range of customizable tools to make your blog visually appealing and engaging. Once you are satisfied with your blog post, it's time to share it with the world. You'll need to click on Publish. This acts as a quick check to review your text, images, and any other content you've added. If everything looks right, click Publish again to finalize. This step makes sure your post is live and visible to all your readers. And there you have it, your blog is now live on Squarespace. Congratulations on completing the setup. Thank you for following along, and I hope this has helped you launch or enhance your blogging journey. Feel free to explore more features within Squarespace to further tailor your blogging experience.